Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to make text bigger on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the general home settings of iPhone or Android. After opening the settings, you can just simply scroll down, tap on accessibility, and after this you can just simply scroll down here, and here you can see the last option that in the general section, that is per app settings. Tap on it, and here you can add Snapchat app here, and after this you can now tap on Snapchat, and here you can see the first option, that is bold text or large text. You can just simply tap on bold text and you can on this option, and after on this option you can now go to the large text and you can resize font size to default, and it is the way you can large text on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.